Are you considering a DIY flooring project but feeling a bit intimidated by the process? Don't worry, with the right tools, materials, and guidance, installing flooring by yourself can be a rewarding and cost-effective endeavor. Whether you're upgrading your home's interior or giving a room a fresh new look, follow these 5 simple steps to achieve professional-looking results without the need for a professional installer. Step 1. Choose your flooring material. The first step in any flooring project is selecting the right material for your space. Consider factors such as durability, maintenance requirements, style, and budget. Options like laminate, hardwood, vinyl, and tile each have their own unique benefits and installation methods. Once you've chosen your flooring material, make sure to purchase enough to cover your space, plus a little extra for mistakes or future repairs. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. A properly prepared subfloor is essential for a successful flooring installation. Start by removing any existing flooring and thoroughly clean the subfloor to remove any dirt, debris, or adhesive residue. Repair any damaged areas and ensure the surface is smooth and level. Depending on your flooring type, you may also need to install an underlayment to provide additional cushioning and moisture protection. Step 3. Measure and cut your flooring. Measure the dimensions of your room and carefully plan your layout to minimize waste and achieve the desired aesthetic. Use a pencil to mark cutting lines on your flooring material and use a saw to make precise cuts as needed. Remember to account for expansion gaps around the perimeter of the room and any obstacles such as doorways or vents. Step 4. Install the flooring. With your prepared subfloor and cut flooring pieces ready to go, it's time to start installing. Begin in one corner of the room and work your way across, following the manufacturer's instructions for your specific flooring type. Use spacers to maintain uniform expansion gaps between the flooring and walls and ensure each piece is snugly fitted together. Depending on the type of flooring, you may need to use adhesive, nails, or a click lock system to secure the planks or tiles in place. Step 5. Finishing touches. Once the main portion of the flooring is installed, it's time for the finishing touches. Install any transition strips, trim, or molding to cover exposed edges and create a polished look. Use a hammer and finishing nails to secure these pieces in place, being careful not to damage the flooring surface. If you are looking to buy some amazing flooring, visit our website now at genixflooring.com.